In this video, you are going to learn some real ways to make money with AI. We'll go over 4 unique ways to use AI that actually work and make money that nobody tells you about. Everyone in the finance niche is trying to sell you shovels during a period of an AI gold rush, because that's what makes them rich and you miserable and looking for more. With this video, I want to short-circuit their malicious tactics and provide you with genuine advice. But be warned, this stuff requires more work than using Chat GPT for 5 minutes or re-uploading podcasts as shorts. If you are serious about making money, I know you will push through regardless. Let's start with the first and easiest way.
I am the one who lifts.
The first strategy is using AI to modify existing popular shows to make everyone buff, German, Australian, or whatever you can think of. This works well because these shows already have a large audience and generate a lot of intrigue for casual and hardcore fans. Imagine seeing this on your homepage. You ask yourself so many questions. What is this? How does it incorporate the original story? Why are they all buff all of a sudden? You just need to click on it. I can guarantee you these videos have a really high click-through rate, and you can see this from the views. But I'm not telling you that you should copy these videos or make a copycat channel, because a handful of creators made a lot of money with this. I'm also not going to show you some fancy numbers or give you a guide on how to replicate this and all of the other strategies. Why? Because I want to inspire you and give you a general direction on what type of AI-generated content works. The key to making it big in the current economy is knowing how to work creatively with intelligent machines and being one of the first to exploit an opportunity. What every other financial guru is misleading you with is the idea that you will be as successful as the original creator. But why would you compromise yourself by copying someone else's work and always standing inferior in their shadow when you could be the superior creator others want to replicate? The only way to bypass this is to put your own really creative twist on it. Analyze your competitors and add exactly the things they currently aren't doing. What could give you the edge over someone else? With this in mind, let's go over the next idea.
Surprise attack! Fuck you, Obama!
Donald, what the fuck are you doing?
This is God incarnate, Joe.
What the
Sit
fuck?
your old
Why,
bony
you
ass
orange
back
fuck?
and watch.
President's Play is also great because the gaming niche is gigantic, but it's also just hilarious to watch the presidents say the most outrageous things and roast each other.
The only thing I will be opening is Michelle's legs.
The fuck you say?
Back when these videos started to pop up and get into your recommendations. What kind of content is this? The presidents didn't really play this game, right? You haven't seen such videos before, so you have to click on them to learn more. This also proves my point further. When you are the first to get such a creative idea, you reap the best benefits. Now it would be just another presidents do something funny video. This is reflected by the views. Some put their own spin on it, like presidents rank different foods, which made the content fresh again. If you can add significant value, go for it. Change up the formula, go for a different niche, or use other important people. Experiment and see what works. Now let's go over a really unique but difficult strategy.
Super fucking loud. Fuck.
DougDoug is a well-known streamer in the gaming niche, and he uses AI for stuff like figuring out the safest job by letting different professions fight to the death, or playing Pajama Sam using only AI. Although the majority of his content doesn't feature anything AI-related, he sometimes comes up with creative ideas and capitalizes heavily on doing stuff no one else has done before. You can create a ton of content around imaginative death battles or tournaments. Challenges. The possibilities are endless. If you know how to code, you can go even further like DougDoug and make content totally unique to you. Lastly, let's go over the most challenging strategy.
Do you want me to crack your dick in half?
Crack's dick in half!
AI Sponge has exploded in popularity, and there is an ever-growing community around it. This one idea generated so much interest and fuzz about it. I think this type of content has insane potential, not only going viral, but also building a giant following around it and getting people to talk about it. The barrier of entry is really high, which can be something negative, but also positive. Copyright is the only major issue with this. This should normally fall under fair use, but Paramount struck his content multiple times, which got several alternative accounts terminated. If you can find something where copyright isn't an issue, you might have found a golden goose. You could, for example, create every character and location by scratch. Set yourself apart from the mainstream and create something difficult to replicate, and you will see massive profits. After looking over these strategies, I hope you have a better understanding now of what successful AI businesses look like. They are a lot harder than what all of those financial gurus keep telling about, like YouTube automation or selling digital art on Etsy. But they actually work. What gurus don't tell you about is that these low-quality businesses don't work and are a waste of time. If you want to learn more about why most AI businesses are destined to fail, you should watch this video next. It exposes every lie and shows you the dark truth about what gurus don't want you to know.